spend money on your girlfriend to the point to be say other men go dey fear to talk to her. You know understand? Once you get this type of mentality as a man, you don't know say your own don't finish. Now mumu man you be, because you not get any level for this life where woman one day when man go dey fear to talk to woman, you know day. Tiwa Savage not be person girlfriend, or the Nicki Minaj, or the Rihanna, or the Candy B, not people girlfriend. So you not get any level where you want put woman for this life when man go dey fear to talk to that woman, you know day. The mistake where you dey make as man, say you dey upgrade that woman beyond your level, and once woman don't pass you, she not go respect you again, because women respect men where they above them. You know understand? Men don't dey pay attention. You see the way your girlfriend they talk to some of all these Okada men, they talk to security man in a very bad manner. You they see that they feel like say your girlfriend. If you dey in that same position, she go talk to you like that. The difference between you and that person, your girlfriend they talk to, that man which they talk down on, and because of say in some level you guide past that person. But if you see them in that position, she go talk down on you, she go pour spit for your face. I saw one girl come meet me one day, she carry keke drop come meet me. See the man when he's get they shout follow you keke man. Keke man wey senior me oh, this guy they shout follow her. For my man say this one go see shege for my hand. You know understand? Because if na me see dey in that position, she go still treat me in that manner. Na so life just be. So, woman will love you, a woman will respect you. Always go for respect, because man need respect more than love. So if your girlfriend they claim say she love you and she not dey respect you, not be a woman be that. You know understand? 4 signs of a mumu boy. 4 signs say you the mumu follow woman. Number 1, now what you feel like say it's your responsibility to make a woman happy. You not owe woman happiness. You can only contribute to their happiness. So if any girl come into your life say, you don't even make me happy, I'll be here, you can't make me happy. Leave that girl, let her go. If not, you go lose yourself in the process of trying to make her happy. Because the moment you know they feel like say it's your responsibility, you go then mandated to do anything way that girl wants. And women they take advantage of kindness. Women they take advantage of kindness. You go see girl will be saying they do something from your heart, normally it's okay. Man just do one for them based on you not less for your side. But you go do one for this girl, but in her mind they feel like say she they use you. Now so that they do. Now what I say once girl broke and they fear to date you. Because maybe you not go take my kindness for stupidity, say I they use, I go they tell that friend say, so because of that reason I not go follow you, because if I do it from a place of say you food this side, I can't run the small shit, you'll be saying not really mean anything for you. You go take it from a place of say you they use me. You know understand? Not put yourself in a position whereby you are constantly proving to somebody that you love them. Not put yourself in that position. Make me happy, prove that you love me. Not put yourself in that dangerous position, because women they feel like say the whole essence of the relationship is about them. The relationship they revolve around them. So all your life, or the whole lifespan of the relationship, you're always proving a point. You're always doing something for her. Why she's doing nothing in return? What if she they prove say she love you? One girl recently they with me, based on my big boy when I be. You know that's I can't say this girl, she get boyfriend. So but that period where she stayed there with me, she and the guy get issue. She and the guy they get issues. So but I can't notice even as they break up, and the girl not did that period though. The boy still they send this girl money. See they would they care for the girl. Was the girl call and say I'm hungry? He go see they send the girl money for upkeep. So and this same girl now they ask me out. She they tell me say she like me based on I be Geh Geh now. You not get second one. I only one Geh Geh. So when I got the mind, why the guy they do like that? And the guy they make all this they know to me. I got to tell her say, why you not just settle with your boyfriend? The guy come make one comment where you need to pay attention to. She say, anytime I want settle with her, we go come back together. That thing, that position, a very dangerous position for man today, because now the girl not they fear to lose the man. So now she they go use less herself. Maybe now when this girl don't use less herself, now deal with me. Now cause I be like this girl not get head though. She don't come back to her sense now. She don't go back to that same boy. And that one go see the weight. Anytime when the girl already say now won't settle down again, no, he go see collect and back. That's a weak mentality. Now weak position to be as a man, because now the girl not they fear to lose you. Woman will they fear to lose you. Now let that woman you feel keep. You know that I don't need girl will be say I don't need your love. Now woman will they fear to lose me. Say, if I lose this Geh Geh, I want to see another Geh Geh. They fear. Say if Geh Geh go now, I don't go see another Geh Geh again. No. Now what I want to be that. You know that. So any woman will not they fear to lose you, not really love you like that. You know, because a person where they fear to lose you, go do everything possible to keep you. use that one take guide. You know that's so number 2 sign of a mumu boy say the mumu follow woman. Now when e dey obvious say this girl they use you, everybody don't tell you, but you still they feel like say they want spoil on a relationship. Now mumu man you be. Your mama they tell you say this girl be want to leave am o. Your papa don't want you. Even some of your close friends they tell you say, this girl not good for you, but you still do everything possible to carry that girl load for her. At the end of the day, you go regret that thing. It don't happen to many people and it not really end well for them. As I dey here like this now, I know how many girls wanna leave. That's how my mother they alive. We said if my mama tell me say this girl I don't want to see you with amiga, I go leave you. If my father tell me say I don't want to see you and this girl, I go leave you. Because I don't want to show me say my mama I could they regret say that time when my mama tell me this thing before. If to say I listen, my life will not be like this. I don't want to live in that regret. If my mama tell me say make I leave you as a girl where they follow me, I'm leaving you. If my father tell me say make I leave you, I go leave you. And not me you go use it to say you know he's very very mature. You know if they make decisions on his own, I agree. Not spoil my life for me. You know that's a life now wisdom. So if they warn you about signs of say this girl not good for you and you see they continue, it's not good for you. Because at the end of the day, get many to be say people will not they in love, they see around you, but you because you are in love, you are blinded. Now why you say the moment you on love say you not love Geh Geh, you would see some of the person would you not go make sense. Love they make people they very beautiful for your eye. Now love go make you see Mumu, you go fall in love. You Mumu go to be like wise man for your eye because that time you dey in love. But the moment you see you not love that person again, you go to see all these stupid things where you really endure before. You know understand? So love they blind you from seeing some of the things will be say you supposed to, but you not pay attention. You know understand? Then number 3 signs say you dey move follow woman. Now when girl tell you say no dog it after marriage, you can't really agree. If you tell me this one, even myself I go woes you. If you agree to that, because as you as you said, keep on the way to marry. Around my day, men like us will not get your day. Will use your official wife the whole body till you are ready? Will use your official wife the whole body till you are ready? When you go marry your official wife, I don't panda man. Why you come visit me? You know, because you get the compensation. Any small thing. Person never even sit down, you never even entertain person. You dey put person part. I wasn't like, what man and woman they do inside house before? Say every time, you not get any person will call your house, say you not even do something. I say no, I go pound you. You know, I not get joy. What man and woman what they do before? I go pound you to the point to be say, even the boy you walk go meet, even if you leave, you go meet another boy. That boy will come and say they walk on this. Even if you leave me, then I want to take console myself. So that toto self, you see something from my hand, I go pound the toto, even if you go meet another boy, so that boy will confirm and say this toto, alignment not this. This toto not carry alignment again. You know that so they brutal to that level. Will be say you know they forgive toto, I not get mercy for toto because life now wisdom. Because if you not pound that when that's again I go meet another boy and I want that. You go be like, now when I be doing this money at the shop, even if you shop my money, I go no say that toto, I go wound down. You say you say you dey wise. No, not forgive toto. This guy they complain. Every day when person come your play. Every day when person come your play, they pound person. I say yes, so I go pound you because I not get joy you. If you like to say and a man will not get work, and I they do on top of woman. Yes, I not get work. Now why they pity boys will be say, if I be boy now, I ask get out. I can't tell you say I can't ask you about your past relationship. You can't tell me say you date boy for 1 year and you and that boy they stay together, Now red flag for me. Because me I know say if they get where they do get where they with me for only a week. That week now back to back. People with their relationship they if you see they take see get with their relationship for complete 1 year, waiting that to see for that boy and now only God will tell you. People they will be say not only when they get there on a period they forgive the toto, but once that it don't pass every day by the night they tear doggy and they tell you real matter. So imagine toto will be say they on course start work for 1 year and they not retire from the work that guy to do for you. Toto wait they on duty for 1 year, Toto wait they on duty for 1 year for another relationship. After that relationship, don't go carry that to give you. Any girl with a relationship for 1 year and a red flag, left her go. If that boy not marry her for the 1 year, not be you go marry her, leave her, make she go. You know understand? I don't know whether he watches you to this level, but write my name in capital letter. Geh Geh.
And remember, like and subscribe. Smash that button now.